We're starting a new chapter now where we're going to be taking a look at reusable content in AutoCAD. We've got a new drawing for you. It's called newofficeproject.dwg, and as usual you can download it from the library to follow along. Now you'll recognise the new office project drawing. We've used it before and it's just got a different file name for this particular chapter, and in this particular video we're going to look at the reusable content that is known as groups. Now we're going to zoom in on the bin store on the right hand side. So get that front and central like so. And then the groups panel is on the home tab on the ribbon. Click on the flyout for groups and just pin it open like we've done previously. Now the group bounding box is on. Make sure it's always on, then you can identify your group easily. I'm going to go to the group manager icon there and click on it. And as you can see, we have no groups at the moment. It's always good to give your group a name rather than having an unnamed group. You can include unnamed groups, but always give it a name first. So the group name will be bins in this case. I click on new here where I create the group and make it selectable so that you can select the group in the drawing. So I click on new. And I'm going to do a little click here, release the mouse button, do a crossing selection over those bins like that and click again and press enter to confirm. So all of our bins are now part of that bins group, and yes, they are selectable. So if I now click on OK and hover over these bins and click, can you see there's our bounding box with a grip in the center and there's our group of bins. Easy to manipulate, copy, move, etc. Now, there are some very other cool tools with groups as well. I'll just hit escape to deselect the group. Now, you can just delete the group if you don't want it, but you can also use a group edit. So if I click on group edit now and select the group first, click on it, there we go. I've got the option now to add more objects, remove objects, or rename the group. If I remove objects and click on some polylines like this, there you go, those two polylines and those two polylines there, press enter to confirm, and now you'll notice the group is smaller because I've removed these and these are now just standard polylines. I'll just hit escape there to deselect the group. Now the good thing is you can remove that group completely by going to this icon here. So you explode or ungroup a group. So I click on this icon, click on the group, and that is now exploded back to its original objects. Always check in the group manager though that you have lost the group. Make sure it's gone. And then OK that, close the object grouping dialog, the group manager, and we're back to where we were before. But you can see how groups are incredibly useful to group objects together, to manipulate them and perhaps edit them in an AutoCAD drawing.